Oh my gosh. Guys, you wouldn't believe what time it is right now. It's 20 past 8 in the morning. It's raining outside. Like, this day is already off to a bad start. I didn't go to sleep until like 5 a.m. It was obviously because I was editing Vlogmas, but I'll get into that a bit later. You know, I was saying the other day in Vlogmas that Auto Glass are coming to my house. Also, I thought they are coming to repair my windscreen chip. When I booked this appointment, they said they would come between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. So I just remembered this last night when I was going to sleep at 5 a.m. and I was like, oh, better set my alarm for 9 because Auto Glass might come, but I doubt it because they've got till 1 p.m. It's 8:20. Why are they here? Anyway, she just told me on the phone she has to work out of her van, but there's nowhere that she can park her van next to my car, so I have to move my car somewhere else, go and stand outside with her. She said it's gonna take half an hour, but it's raining. I don't know, I might ask her while I'm there, like, can I just go back home and meet you here in half an hour? So yeah, does this mean I've had like 3 hours sleep? I don't know, but I literally just had to say to her on the phone, like, can you give me like 5 minutes so I can like go to the toilet and stuff, because I've just woken up. I just dropped my car off. I already feel dead. I don't know, I feel like I can't even see properly. I feel like my brain is thinking I'm still asleep, but I am actually seeing things. Yeah, I've dropped my car off and she was like, do you want to sit in my van? And I was like, can I just go home? But at least I'm up so I can start ticking off things on my to-do list. I'm already getting a headache. I've just been editing some reels and some shorts. Oh, look at me. I mean, I usually have these bags on my face anyway. That's just part of my face, but they look extra big right now. I'm just gonna edit some more TikToks, so I am using my time wisely. I am literally working. So I believe in angel numbers and stuff. I've got a few tattooed on me and I keep seeing the angel number 444, and everywhere you look it will have a different answer to what the angel numbers mean. Like, I've literally got 444 on my hand, and obviously before I got it I googled what it means, and it says online that it's like protection. You're protected by the angels or the universe or whatever you believe in. So that's what I've always thought 444 meant. So since I've been seeing it a lot, I was like, oh, I must be protected by the angels and stuff right now. But I'm just gonna ask Alexa what it means, because yeah, there's a different answer everywhere. What does the 444 angel number mean?
The angel number 444 represents clarity and decisiveness. When this number keeps showing up in your life, it means the angels are trying to tell you that what you've been preparing for is finally coming to fruition.
Well, that's great. I mean, I don't know what I've been preparing for, but maybe it's something to do with Vlogmas and all the work I'm putting into social media at the moment. I literally saw 444 last night when I was awake still at 4:44 in the morning, and I was writing in my notes, which we'll get into soon when I'm a bit more awake. But yeah, it literally says the time on my notes was 4:44 a.m. and then I've just been onto my YouTube app to like upload some shorts, and my notifications in the app is 444. Like, what are the chances? So yeah, if the angel number means that like whatever you've been preparing for and what you've been determined for is all working out, then that's great news. Because it's weird that I was literally writing in my notes last night about Vlogmas and now I've come to like post some videos. It's all connected. I sound crazy. You can't make this up. I was just talking about this. I've come onto my Facebook page. Go and follow it if you want. I was just putting some videos on and look at the likes on my recent video. Looks like it stopped raining now, which is good. But Auto Glass just called me and said that my car's done, so just gonna go pick it up. Really out of breath. I ran up the stairs. I'm ready. Well, the windscreen chip has been fixed. It still looks exactly the same though. It's such a small chip that she did say it's gonna leave like a little indent. It was only like an extra £20 for my neighbour's outside. Still got so much of the day left. I do feel really good about waking up early because I'm not going to be as stressed now, but I just went to the co-op and got some snacks for the games night that I'm having with my mum and brother tonight. Also got the essentials. Please don't judge me. Yes, I am 24 and I still drink WKD. There's still a lot I need to do and I don't know what time my mum and brother are coming. Basically, I've only got until Christmas Eve to do everything I need to do, which for me, I'm filming this on the 21st, but you're gonna see this video on the 22nd. And I'm also gonna be pre-filming a lot of Vlogmas episodes that you'll see after Christmas, because after Christmas I'm gonna be really busy, so I'm gonna be pre-filming all of those Vlogmas episodes. So, you know, some later on in the month, like nearer to New Year's, that's when you'll see those. So I need to film them tomorrow and maybe one today, but yeah, there's a lot to do. Right, I've put some washing on and now I just need to do a bit of tidying. I've got to tidy my dressing room because there's just clothes everywhere. I need to whiz around the whole house with a hoover and then I might mop the kitchen floor. Yes, I don't have a TV in here anymore. I couldn't see it. My eyesight's really bad and it's quite far away from the sofa. So I need to buy a bigger one, but I never come in here anyway. This is the living room. Don't know if you've seen it before. I need to think of a way to make it more homely. Okay, so I've done all of that. Now I still need to tidy this. This is my sofa, and like I said, I just don't come in here. So this is like my clean washing that I've just been dumping on here for like 4 weeks. But yeah, so I'm gonna sort these out while I chat to you. So as I was saying, last night I didn't go to sleep until like 5 a.m. and I had a lot of things on my mind because I was still like editing and I was still like working. So it's hard for me to like fall asleep after that. That's why I was writing in my notes and it happened to be 444 when I wrote in it. Sorry if you can hear the washing, by the way, but this is what I wrote. Look how much there is. So I just wanted to discuss that a little bit because this is just my thoughts and feelings last night. So basically, I just don't feel Christmassy at the moment. Obviously, it's so close to Christmas, but I've just got a lot of other things on my mind, mostly work things. If you didn't know, social media is my job and I'm not complaining at all because I love it. It used to be my hobby and I'm so grateful that it's my job now. But it's mostly Vlogmas, I think. Like, I feel like I've overworked myself and I'm putting too much pressure on myself every day. I haven't taken a day off from filming. Like, obviously I've been filming and editing Vlogmas every single day, and because I was pre-filming them, sometimes I filmed and edited multiple in a day. But this is the first time in my career that I felt kind of like overworked and burnt out. But yeah, I'm not saying that this job is harder than other jobs. Like, it comes with its own challenges, but I'm so grateful that this is my job and it's obviously really fun and easier compared to other jobs. But like I said, it does have its own challenges that can be quite stressful sometimes. I do feel like after Christmas, after Vlogmas is over, I'll have to take a little break from YouTube just to recover a little bit. I just feel like I have not stopped all month. I probably won't though. Like, it's gonna feel so weird to not post after Vlogmas, like posting and editing every day. It's gonna be a big difference. But I'm just so determined with social media being my job that whenever I take a day off or don't film or don't post anything for a day, I feel like guilty and I feel like I'm missing out on opportunities. Like, I have this thing in my head where it's like, oh, if I don't post today, that could have been the video that goes viral. Do you know what I mean? With TikTok, I have to constantly think of new ideas and make sure I'm posting every day. I don't know if you know, but all of my videos come from TikTok first. Like, my shorts, my Facebook posts, my Instagram reels, they are all my TikToks first. So it's like, if I'm not filming TikToks, I literally have nothing to post and then I can't post anywhere. It's really stressful and overwhelming to think about. I'm just really putting pressure on myself and stressing myself out, but at the same time, it's so fun. But there is just a lot to think about and I feel like it never stops. And I've never really taken a break from TikTok, especially. I've been doing it for 3 years and I feel like I have posted like basically every day for 3 years straight. Like, I feel like if I don't post, I'm letting myself down and I'm letting other people down. People probably don't even care or wouldn't even notice if I didn't post a TikTok one day. But it's like, at what point do I take a step back and breathe. Do you know what I mean? I'm just overworking myself and not really sleeping that well. And again, I'm not saying this is a difficult job. I'm just getting this off my chest and saying how I feel. I feel like this pile is not going down at all. Anyway, I'm gonna put all of this away now. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I honestly feel like I'm more productive when I haven't had a lot of sleep. Like, I'm running on like 3 hours sleep right now, and I've got so much done today, like more than I've got done the last few days. I've been breaking down my to-do list as well because I was getting overwhelmed because I have to do everything before Christmas Eve. So everything that I had to do today, yeah, I've basically done. I do need to wash my hair and pre-film another Vlogmas video that you'll see like after Christmas. But yeah, I'm just making my lunch now. I've got ramen noodles, obviously. Oh, also look at this. So I've got some things ready for later when my mum and brother come for the games night. Got all the snacks out, and then I bought some Christmas crackers as well. Oh, what a day. I'm still wearing my pajama top. Still haven't had my shower and washed my hair, but just got some parcels. Oh, my pasta. Yes, I did order pasta from Amazon. I've got a pasta recipe that I want to try that I saw on TikTok. I bought all the ingredients, but I really wanted some nice pasta like this. These are little earrings. The box is so cute. This would be such a good gift. They're bows and they're really cute. I'm obsessed with bows at the moment, so I was looking for some like this. I saw these on Amazon, but I thought they were quite big. But then my friend posted a story on Instagram and she was wearing some gold ones, and I was like, where'd you get them from? Yeah, so she convinced me to buy them. I didn't even end up washing my hair in the end after all that, but I've just been doing a bit more tidying. Honestly, what am I even tidying at this point? I've literally done everything, but I keep finding more things to do. Now I'm gonna pre-film another Vlogmas episode that you'll see in a few days after Christmas. It's me baking again, so stay tuned for that. We're doing a lot of baking recently. But yeah, I've only got like an hour until my mum and brother come. They said they're coming between 3 and 4. I wish I knew an actual time. I'm just gonna film this and then hopefully relax until they get here. So I want to show you the vibes for tonight's games night. I've put Christmas crackers out on the table. It's really cute and Christmassy in here. And then in the living room, I've put my fairy lights on. Obviously, like I said, I never come in here, so it is really nice to see it all cute like this. That was just a sneak peek of my house though. House tour coming in January. Anyway, let's have a games night. It looks like I'm just doing this by myself and pretending I've got people here. So my mum and brother have just gone home. That was a really fun night. We just played some board games. Also, me and my mum popped out to the charity shop and I got some things. So I got some fingerless gloves. I used to have some basically just like this, but I can't find them anywhere. And then if you've been watching all of the Vlogmas episodes, you'll know that I'm kind of obsessed with these like headband things at the moment. So I found another one of these. Obviously it looks a bit silly with my hair like this, but when I have my hair down, I think this one will look nice. I also got some plates as well that were really cute. I'll show you. They've got stars on. They're actually really heavy and thick. Anyway, now I just need to have a shower. It's like 11 o'clock now. So I'm gonna have a shower and edit this Vlogmas video. But yeah, I'm gonna end today's Vlogmas episode here. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas. Bye guys!
It's the best time of the year.